These are out there. This mark here, and this mark there, and then on your crank, at 7 o'clock, right there.
You take these locks all the way out?
Not yet.
Just don't need
lock them down in the right position. Yeah. Still recording? You can record the whole time. I'll edit it. Just gotta be mindful of the time because they're supposed to call me on the program. Remember last time we couldn't?
Yeah, we couldn't get that off. You just hold it right off. Is there a tab on the inside?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know how I figured it out? Because I broke it last time. See? Making mistakes makes you learn for the next time.
Yeah.
The fact that I broke this last time, now I'm able to remove this every single time without breaking it.
Yeah. It's in time.
Yeah. That's about where it should be here. Back sprocket. About there.
You gotta mark it.
Just kind of doing a rough estimate here. So we need to rotate this cam backwards enough. We need to rotate this cam backwards enough to where it lines this up, and then we got to lock it down. Because this is actually there. We have slack here. So we're going to pull the slack out of this. Put all this. You always want to put all your slack where the tensioner goes, because when it pulls it, you know, it holds slack. See, we have slack here. So this is in the right spot, so we got to move this cam back a little bit. So what we can do is, this is not the right way to do this, by the way. Just saying it now. Let's see.
So this needs to come back, right?
Yeah, so we're probably going to insert this bolt.
Can we just hold tension right here and you turn the crank down here? Or you don't want to do that?
No, because we're trying to remove this tension. This is supposed to be tight.
Okay.
Because this is right where it's supposed to be, so when this gets tight, that means when we rock this back, it's going to pull tension here and then move this cam, and then we're going to leave this cam in the same spot and then move the teeth over to where this lines up with that, and then lock it in place. So we're probably going to go ahead and lock that in place. That's generally where it's supposed to be by the diagram. Right there.
11.
Yeah. And this is the only one we're going to move. Judging by this bolt is reverse thread, which means tightening is loosening, I can use this bolt to move the cam slightly. Tighten it down. Slack here, move that, some more slack, move that,
One more.
okay, there,
It is.
that's where it's going to be. So now,
That's out.
yeah, we're still out a little bit, so what we're going to do is I'm actually going to hold tension here, like that, and then we're going to do this, pull this out, and rock this cam a little bit this way, this. See what I did is I made these line up. Now I'm going to pull these back with this cam. I'm going to hold here on the edges, pull tension on it, turn it, just pulling slack, pull slack, pull slack. It's okay. This has got to be in time. This has got to be in time with this.
There you go.
Now, turn it. Let it come loose. We got compression. A little bit of this. So,
You gotta turn this back.
yeah, turn it that way.
And move this chain back here.
So, we're gonna do this again. So technically it's in time right now.
Oh, too much pressure.
No, I wasn't holding enough over here. I mean, technically it's in time. As long as these marks line up, it's technically in time. I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's in time. All I gotta do is rotate the crankshaft, and it's gonna be in time. So technically it's in time. Then what I have to do. Why did it move? What the fuck? I'm supposed to move. Hence timing. I hate these so much. You're recording my misery.
Okay, now.
I'll rotate a little bit. This is really taking me off. You know what? I'm just gonna move the crank. Line this up. There. Alright.
Slack is here.
Yep. There. Now we're gonna down there. And then this one can get locked in right here. And that. It's not going to be completely square. Like one of these cams are going to be further than this one. I think it's this one. Okay, Volkswagen timing. Like I said, it doesn't matter where the cams are, as long as they're somewhere up here. And this lines up with that, and then this lines up down here. Doesn't matter what
Some
orientation.
Volkswagen nut is going to tell you you're dead wrong.
Yeah, even though I've done it this way 900 times. See, now we're right in where we need to be.
And it's kind of stretched right here, and the tension can be put right here.
There. Now, what we do is we put our guide in. Our guide. This right here is our tensioner. Goes like this. Just a stupid lip right there.
Just seems wrong.
Our bolts.
Bolts. Almost. Same thing, M10.
Literally, we're not Volkswagen technicians at all.
Not in the slightest. But timing is timing.
Yeah. There's more than one way to skin a cat. Like most people would just take this tensioner completely out, put the thing on, and put it back in, when you could just literally squeeze it down and put a bolt in. Now, we take a this right here. Sure, there.
There we are.
Now we put both there.
Click, click, click. Is that trademark?
Huh?
You think that's trademark? No, click, click, click thing.
Oh yeah. That thing. Click.
Yeah, there we go.
You always want to pull this first and then install it. Don't ever do that. Jeez, macho fingers, what do you do? What the heck?
27's over there.
Oh, you put them back in with an impact.
Put him in with finger.
You know, put that in the finger.
I put him with finger. A Hulk. You not know? Oh yeah. The fun part. Always the fun part. You mean to hold that?
Alright, watch. You watch trick.
I'll not watch trick.
See slack over here? You go boom.
Thumb's starting to hurt, so it'd be nice if we could get this done.
Pull slack, pull slack. Boom. Boom.
Pulls out all of a sudden, gets your finger stuck. Oh, oh.
It's okay, I catch. You got magic finger. And all the room in the world. German engineering.
Yeah. It's supposed to be superior.
Yeah.
What do what Germans say about American cars? They're too easy.
Alright, everything's good, locked down. There you go. Now the other one was like completely extended. This one is it's still got like 4 or 5 teeth. Click,
Click, click.
click.
That's good enough.
200 foot-pounds.
Alright. Those are definitely like 11. Got my grenade pin.
Yeah.
That upside down set.
He master tech.
You mechanic. You apprentice. There's a timing mark on that.
It doesn't matter.
Definitely gonna get fucking roasted by a Volkswagen mechanic.
Because, I mean, that means I'd have to turn this almost a whole 360 just to time the freaking pump. It's all of the oil pump is just like mirrors that pressurize the oil and shoots it everywhere. So you guys out there can time your oil pumps if you want, but I'm not doing it.
That 25 or 27. Actually, it's 30 probably, but all my 30s are broke.
You always want to use a 1/2-inch breaker bar on this.
50 foot-pounds.
And when you pull this, you don't want to click it. You want to push it in, push, pull. Just like that. When you pull this will snap, probably break the plastic up here. There you go, that's it. And then when you want to take it off, just take your grenade pin, push it, just like that.
Boom.
Boom.
This is a not failing tensioner. Spring never fails.
Boom. Yep, time.